This bag is completely destroyed, but watch how the master brings it back to life in seconds. First, he thoroughly cleans it, removing years of dirt and stains. Then he fills every tear, hole, and worn spot with special leather filler and makes it perfectly smooth. Next, he color matches and repaints it to the exact original shade. He nourishes and softens the leather, bringing back its original shine. Finally, he applies a protective top coat and fixes all the stitching. Before, it was trash.